quiet. I refused to talk ever since I heard that Ogechi Chinjaka was arrested. And do you know why I'm not bothered? Do you know why it's not a new thing? Do you know why it's not something to catch crews about? I know that a day will come. Ogechi Chinjaka will be captured. Everything that she did will be summoned before her. No matter how far she tried to deny it, no matter how far she tries to run away from it. Something that killed Ogechi is that people by her side refused to tell her the truth. People by her side was misleading her. She was being misled by people that are supposed to tell her the truth. Most of her followers are deceivers. People that led her to doom. People that brought her destruction. People that put her in this disaster and this mess that she's into are the people that are supposed to call her, are the people that are supposed to correct her, are the people that are supposed to chastise her. But they refused to do the needful. I was passing one of the days, I was like listening to full-grown men with white beards, white hair all over their body. They were praising Ogechi Okeke Njaka. They were saying something. I just stopped a little. Let me hear what they were saying. They were saying that Ogechi Njaka is this and that. They were praising her as if she's God. Now, I was like listening to them. They said that they will come for her. People that she's backing up will come for her. I was waiting for them to mention names. They mentioned people, somebody like Zion. They mentioned Brother Ebuka Obi. They were like mentioning people's name and said that Hope Uzodinma will never abandon her and leave her. That Chukwuma Soludo will never abandon her and leave her there. That some senators that helped her the time she was being adopted with Interpol in a hotel room, that all those senators will never keep silent. And she mentioned the name of some senior advocates, some sons, some judges that intervened, that cause we are coming where she's in Interpol detention, that they never left her behind. They never left you behind. But your passport was being withheld. You lied. Your letter came online. Do you know something that killed Ogechi? She doesn't say the truth. She lies a lot. She can make a script, and when you go to that script, you find out that it's all lies. I know that a day will come. She will be summoned. Do you know why? Love karma is against her. The spirit of our ancestors of Igbo land is not happy with her. Somebody that framed her father up. Somebody that has framed too many people up. Somebody that has framed Ufa Yoba up. Somebody that has framed Bebioko up. Somebody that is putting confusion, bringing catastrophe here and there, causing problem. Somebody that did not bite her eyelids and insulted a man of God. That insulted Reverend Father Mbaka. Somebody that refused to be cautioned. I was like, Ogechi, 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 do you want to live long? Do you want to live long? Desist yourself from this kind of words, activities. From this kind of assignment. Whoever that is sending you, whoever that is the sender, go and tell that person that you are not going to continue doing this kind of work. I want to tell each and every one of you that is out there that's a content creator. If you are not careful, what happened to Ogechi Njaka? I thought that what happened to Ada Jesus should have been a lesson to Ogechi Njaka. When Udene was being apprehended, when Udene was being arrested, all of them were celebrating. But today, have you seen how Ogechi Okeke Njaka messed herself up? First and foremost, she was being deceived to come back from Chicago. She flew into Nigeria and she was showcasing herself publicizing herself, making people to understand that she's back. Moreover, Kozayon, you called her Karesia. And after that, what did you achieve? Now Ogechi Njaka has fallen into problem. Where is you, Kozayon? How much do you have? What connection do you have? The day a man of God stood on the pulpit and spoke with an angry voice and said, one Ogechi Njaka that allowed herself to be used as an instrument of destruction, to malign people's image, to destroy people's image, she'll run fast and begin to apologize before Wahala that she doesn't know where it comes from will hit her. That karma is coming after Ogechi Njaka. Instead of Ogechi Njaka to keep quiet, Ogechi Njaka started interrupting the voice that she doesn't know where it comes from, because she was seeing Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka, that is the voice of Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka, without knowing that the Spirit is speaking through Ejike Mbaka. And today, have you seen where her stubbornness, her ingratitude, her wayward life, the assignment she was being given to, have you seen where it have landed her? Now, I heard that she's under detention, pretending as somebody that is running mad, that she's not with her senses any longer. Let me tell you, that is what it will be. Whatever you are doing now is the consequences of your action. You are paying for your damages, for the damages you have caused. People you have maligned their image. People you blackmailed. People you messed their image up. There are petitions that is being waiting against you. Too many of them. I was listening to Miriam Justice, what she was saying. Let me tell each and every one of you, if you are a content creator, try as much as possible to be useful to yourself. Don't make yourself a useless content creator. Don't make yourself not to be useful. Make yourself useful. Mark Zuckerberg make the social media space, most especially Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, to be a place you can create a content that is useful. You must not be rude to be a content creator. Today, I say shame to Esugo Globals. I say shame to all of them that is standing with Ogechi Njaka, supporting her, energizing her, gingering her. Somebody like Iko Zion. Where are you people today? People that have refused to tell Ogechi Njaka the truth. If Ogechi Njaka has 1 million followers and 900,000 out of 1 million is supporting her in her wayward life, in her evil ways, in her evil deeds, let me tell you, Ogechi Njaka is paying her price now. All of you that have supported her to be useless, to be rude, to be stupid, and to be useless, we pay. Because it is a matter of time. What is running in Ogechi Njaka's vein now is what they call what? Law of karma. She cannot escape it. If she like, let her pretend as somebody that is mad. If she like, let her lose her sense of belonging from now to the next 2,000 years coming. She must answer to this call. She must pay the price. She must bring out all the evidences to defend her allegations against people. Now, talk less about Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka. The man I know has forgiven her. But what you don't know is that the spirit that he's working with, he has forgiven Ogechi, but the spirit has vowed that Ogechi must be summoned. Now, what have Ogechi gained? If not shame and disgrace, bringing and rubbing shame on her face and the people that she is defending. I don't know what Ezugo Global will come out to say again. I have said it time without number, countless time. I have said it countless time. Ever since Ogechi Njaka has been mentioned in Evangelist Ebuka Obi's name, I have never seen where Evangelist Ebuka Obi has come out on the social media to say anything about Ogechi Okeke Njaka. All we heard that the first time she was arrested by Interpol, that Ebuka Obi called and said that Ogechi Chinjaka should be released, that she came back for prayer, that he was the one that asked Ogechi Chinjaka to come back for prayers. Now, if Ogechi is being interrogated and if she begins to say things, let me tell you, you will hear what will block your eardrum. I want to say this now. I say shame. I say shame. A very big shame to some men of God. To some people you think that they are mature. To some people that have come of age, but they are behaving childishly. They have nothing to offer to our society. You people that are praising Ogechi Chinjaka, energizing her, giving her the ego to fly. She's not an ego. She's a vulture. Have you seen what she has done to herself? She doesn't even know where she's coming, and she's going to jail. If you people don't know, she must go to jail. She must go to jail. And let me tell you today, if you're one of those that are still trying to make content to defend Ogechi Chinjaka, desist, because the wrath and the anger of God is against her. And whoever that is supporting her will reap the same way Ogechi Chinjaka is reaping now. Until she apologized. She apologized for blackmailing Reverend Mbaka. Until she apologized for insulting Reverend Mbaka, for framing him up. All the people that have hands in sponsorship of Ogechi Chinjaka must be summoned. All of them must be summoned. You must, all of them, none will go free. This thing will not end like this, so this thing must expose a lot of things. No matter how far we try to protect it, for some people's image not to be affected. As far as the image of a man of God was being maligned, was being blackmailed, all of you that has a hand in what Ogechi was doing and is doing must be arrested. And mind you that all of you had been arrested spiritually. It's a matter of time. It will manifest physically. Don't fall a victim.